Hey there! Welcome to our video where we will be comparing the HyperX DuoCast and piolunth USB microphone, two popular microphones for gaming, streaming, podcasting, and content creation. If you find this video informative, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. The HyperX DuoCast is priced at $99, while the piolunth USB microphone is priced at $119. While the piolunth microphone is more expensive, it offers better sound quality and additional features, which may justify the higher price. Both the HyperX DuoCast and piolunth USB microphone offer high-quality sound recording. However, the piolunth microphone has a wider frequency response, higher sound pressure level, and supports higher sample rates of up to 192 kHz 24-bit, which results in a more realistic and detailed sound recording. The HyperX DuoCast has a customizable RGB light ring, two polar patterns, low-profile shock mount, tap-to-mute sensor and gain control adjustment, and is customizable via HyperX Ingenuity software. On the other hand, the piolunth microphone comes with an omnidirectional adjustable cantilever bracket, shockproof frame, and built-in cardioid capsule for noise elimination. Both microphones are compatible with multiple devices and operating systems. That's it for our comparison of the HyperX DuoCast and piolunth USB microphone. While both microphones have their strengths, your choice will ultimately depend on your budget, intended use, and personal preferences. We hope this video was helpful and informative. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. See you in the next one.